that's hard for us because we don't really draw a lot from other dance music. We draw a lot from other things. I mean, for me, I still Barry White, man. It's something about how he worked with strings and bass, heavy bass lines and stuff that really works for us, you know. And that's kind of what I draw from. When I hear grooves, I can hear how to translate that to like dance music.
It's a very hard question, you know, asking me who is my favorite producer right now, because as a radio host, I got so many music all the time. But I have only one pick, so I want to take Boys Noise. The reason why he's like awesome producer for the Boys Noise song, but he also has like different projects under different names, and everything he makes it's so proper and so unique and so timeless. For me, it's like being like a good producer is not like doing the coolest thing from now. It's like the coolest thing for later. And it's, Alex, it's definitely one of the dopest producers for me.
I never followed any specific producer, but I always follow a specific scene generally. At the moment, I think I really like Yotam Avni, for example, from Israel. I think his productions really stands out in a way.
Any producers I look to for inspiration, I think I get influenced by so many different artists. It's not only producers, it's most of the times just artists that are themselves, you know, like Charlie Puth, for example. I think he's a really musical guy, playing all sorts of instruments and creating cool sounds. London Grammar is something that I like to listen to. A very far away from I'm gonna write a hit song. It's just pure emotion speaking and talking about, for example, London Grammar with their song Hey Now. If you watch that, there's like all the cells in your body will be like aligned in that song, you know what I mean? So I don't know. I like to like listen to maybe the underdogs of the scene and to give inspiration.
So there's a bunch of guys who inspire me. I mean, there's so many new guys, you know? Like I'm obviously a new guy, but there's, you know, people who are my age or younger than me that constantly inspire me, you know, that are unheard of, and they're just making incredible music. It's only like a matter of time before, you know, they get really big. So I would say this guy also from New York, his name is Avision. He makes really mature techno and house music, and you know, he's my age. I think it's only a matter of time before he really blows up. And also another good friend of mine, Weska, he just also got signed to Drum Code. His music, constantly sending me music, and every track is just a hit. And a third person would be Kevin DeVries. He just got signed to Afterlife, and also my age and amazing, talented producer. So we definitely keep an ear open for those guys.
Yeah, Truncate, for example.
Incredible.
Are nice, you know.
I think we got a lot of people on our
My
label
favorite.
that are inspiring.
Also,
Really.
I mean, there's a bit of everything. But like names, I mean, Truncate is I
Yeah.
love Truncate, for example.
Yeah.
You do.
Yeah, he's incredible. He's a master of making things sound terrible but really good. You know, it's this incredible skill he has of engineering where things are dull but it's right. You know, it's just amazing.
DVS1 for me is, I love that.
Incredible.
Kind of weird techno he does.
Yeah.
Very evolving and very, you know, very round and sort of just never ending.
On the other
but he
side,
hasn't done a lot of stuff in the...
Julian Jules, amazing producer. Somebody I really look up to. I think he's consistent. His sound.
Enrico Sangiuliano is a great...
Amazing.
Also, but I mean, it's a different sound.
Yeah, but incredible producer.
I mean, there's different things, for sure.